English to Spanish. I went equals.
Fui.
Master.
Ir.
Past tense. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today, we're going to make the Spanish past of to go.
Ir.
Stick like your favorite song chorus. Warm up your voice, smile, and let's make grammar funny on purpose. Your goal today. You'll leave saying every key past form confidently. Ready to move? Base verb. To go equals.
Ir.
I went equals.
Fui.
You went, to, equals.
Fuiste.
She went equals.
Ella fue.
It went equals.
Fue.
We went equals.
Fuimos.
You went, vosotros, equals.
Fuisteis.
They went equals.
Fueron.
Pro tip. Same preterite as esser in form. Context tells you if it means went, or was, were. Laugh and learn dialogue. Listen in and repeat, yes, with your best drama voice. You. Yesterday I was a hero, I went first.
Fui.
Friend. Nice, I also went early.
Fuiste.
Temprano. Narrator. Meanwhile, she vanished, she went to get snacks.
Ella fue.
Poor palomitas. You. So, how did the movie go? It went great.
Fue.
Genial. Friend. Team power. We went together.
Fuimos.
Juntos. Narrator. In Spain, you all went wild with applause.
Fuisteis.
Incredibles. You, and the extras? They went to the after party.
Fueron.
A la fiesta. Call and response drill. Echo me fast, keep it snappy like a drumline. I went.
Fui.
You went, too.
Fuiste.
She went.
Ella fue.
It went.
Fue.
We went.
Fuimos.
You went, vosotros.
Fuisteis.
They went.
Fueron.
Speed round.
Fui. Fuiste. Ella fue. Fue. Fuimos. Fuisteis. Fueron.
Culture tip. Spain's vosotros. Quick tip to sound savvy in Spain. In Spain, you'll hear the plural, you, as.
Vosotros.
In the past, you went, is.
Fuisteis.
In Latin America, people usually say.
Ustedes.
And use third-person plural forms, so, you, all, went, there is.
Fueron.
Handy, right? Mini-story. The speedy errand. Enjoy a tiny story and shadow it line by line. Morning plan. I went to the store.
Fui.
A la tienda. You went to grab coffee.
Fuiste.
Pour café. She went to the bank.
Ella fue.
Al banco. It went faster than expected.
Fue.
Más rápido de lo esperada. We went to celebrate.
Fuimos.
A celebrar. In Spain, you went for churros.
Fuisteis.
Por churros. They went home smiling.
Fueron.
A casa sonriendo. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the key after a short pause. Q1. Translate, we went. A.
Fuimos.
Q2. Base form of to go in Spanish. A.
Ir.
Q3. You went, to. A.
Fuiste.
Q4. It went well. Say the key verb. A.
Fue.
Q5. They went. A.
Fueron.
Q6. You went, vosotros, Spain. A.
Fuisteis.
Q7. I went. A.
Fui.
Q8. She went. A.
Ella fue.
Your turn. 10-second challenge. Create quick lines using today's forms. You've got this. Say a sentence with
Fui.
go. Now one with
Fuiste.
make it dramatic with
Ella fue.
report an outcome with
Fue.
teamwork line using
Fuimos.
Spain flavor, drop.
Fuisteis.
Finish with a crowd using
Fueron.
wrap up. Nice work, short, sharp, and memorable. Today you owned the past of
Ir. Fui. Fuiste. Ella fue. Fue. Fuimos. Fuisteis. Fueron.
Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, share a smile with every verb, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more bite-sized lessons and freebies. Buen trabajo.